Keep them moving. Watch the gates on the left.
All right, keep them coming down the chute.
We're clear for the holding area now.
Clear the gate on the left. Let's go, move up. Keep them steady, watch the horns.
Keep them moving to Bay 4.
Bay 4 confirmed. All systems clear on line 3. Check the restraints on the Brahman.
Looks clear from here.
Data synchronization complete.
Check the flank area. Minimal scarring.
Confirmed. Data uploaded to the main server. Horns measuring at 38 centimeters, whose biggest we've logged this season.
Noted. Hide quality is excellent, minimal defects.
The texture here is exceptional. Yes, very smooth, high quality yield.
Lane 4 is ready for transfer.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Moving them to the Whitehorn department.
All checks are complete on this group. Everything look good? Okay, I'll log it in the system now.
Directing Group A to Whitehorn processing.
Confirmed. Group B to premium leather manufacturing. Directing Group A to Whitehorn processing.
Confirmed. Group B to the Health and Prep Center first.
Directing Group A to Whitehorn processing.
Confirmed. Group B to the Health and Prep Center first.
Directing Group A to Whitehorn processing.
Confirmed. Group B to the Health and Prep Center first.
Vitals steady, eyes clear. Confirmed. Cleared for wash.
Starting the wash cycle.
Almost clear on this side. Same here, powering down.
Woo!
Coat's spotless. Send him to feeding.
All clear, ready for processing.
Confirmed.
Good to go.
Utilizing precise laser scanning, the robotic arms meticulously polish the horn and hide sections, achieving a flawless luxury-grade finish.
Approved. The finish is excellent.
Heat.
I'm seeing a slight variation in the texture right here.
Yes, but it's within tolerance for the Brahman. Note the finish quality as exceptional.
Check the grain on this section, boss.
Yes.
Looks perfect. Send it through to the conveyor. Looks good, looks good. The texture is spot on.
Agreed. Let's send it to manufacturing.
The Grey Brahman collection represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship, transforming horn and leather into objects of desire.
Look at this grain. It's near perfect. The consistency here is exactly what we aim for.
Yes, the drying stage is complete on these. We can move them to finishing.
Check the stitching here. It's perfect.
Perfect.
Yes, the texture is flawless, ready for shipment. The grain on this batch is exceptional.
Agreed. Thickness is uniform across the sheet.
Shoe sections to line 1. Confirmed. Brown leather sections to bag line 2.
Shoe line, batch 1 complete, complete.
Bag line, batch 1, complete.
Keep coming straight back. Okay, hold it right there. Let's get these straps on.